Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Spotify gift card on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to begin, open up your web browser and in the search box type in www.spotify.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Spotify, which looks like this. Go and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner in order to bring up a pop-up. Tap on the login button to log into your account. On the next page, enter your email address or your username followed by your password to log in. Make sure to type in your credentials correct and you'll be logged into your Spotify account. Once you open up your Spotify account, go and tap on the settings button at the top right hand corner. Once you do that, tap on view account. From your account overview page, you'll be able to see this drop down at the top right next to account overview. Tap it on in order to bring up an expanded menu. Now, right at the bottom, you should be able to see a redeem option. Tap it on. On the next page, simply enter your PIN number that is available at the back of your gift card. Carefully scratch off the PIN cover on the back of the card and enter the PIN code in the text box. Once you do that, tap on I'm not a robot. Complete the CAPTCHA and finally tap on the continue button in order to redeem your code. That is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Spotify using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.